Hello everybody, welcome back to another Midjourney tutorial. I'm going to show you how to take images and upload them to Midjourney and then use them as prompts for things like comic books, YouTube web series, all kinds of stuff. You know what I'm talking about. Here we go. I'm in Midjourney here. The first step, grab an image. I'm going to grab this pretty lady here and I'm going to drag and drop it into Midjourney. Once it does that, I'm going to hit enter and presto, it's going to upload. It has to be under 8 megabytes, by the way. Once that's done, watch this. Here it is. It's inside Midjourney. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy the link. Now, go back into the chat bar here or in the message bar and then type in Imagine and then Command V or Control V if you're on a PC. And then bang, there you go. Now all you got to do is hit spacebar and then I'm going to have her reading a book and hit enter and watch. When it comes back, I'll show you what we got. All right, welcome back. Here we go. Here's the first crack at it. You'll see here we've got that lady now. It's kind of made into a photorealistic art minus this bottom one. And there she is. She's reading a book. I kind of like that top first one, so I would upsample it and I would V1 it to create new variations. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching.